Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a shrimp alfredo. And this footage is actually from Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, I know it's over, but every day is Valentine's Day when you want to celebrate love. So here you can see I'm food shopping, and I'm actually making shrimp alfredo for my fiance and I for Valentine's Day. And I also made us a smoothie. It was so good, and I wanted to get the footage up to show you guys how to make this recipe. And yeah, here you can see I'm looking for some Parmesan cheese, and I didn't find it in this section, but I do end up finding it. And as you see right there, jalapeno pepper jack, that cheese is so good. Also, give that a try, guys. I got the shrimp, you guys. I got the strawberries. I found the Parmesan cheese. I got a little other things, and here I'm going to find the rest of the things. And I wasn't able to get that footage, because I'm actually new at this like vlogging the groceries type thing. But here I am heading to the car with my godmother, and we're going home so I can start cooking for me and my fiance. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm home and I am already starting to cook because I have no time to waste. So the first thing you want to do is start boiling your pasta, and then once it's boiled, you want to drain it and put it to the side. And with the pasta, you just want to put like a little bit of salt in the water and a little bit of olive oil or avocado oil so it doesn't stick. So after that, you want to heat up a deep skillet or pan and add in your seasoned shrimp. And the shrimp are going to cook pretty fast. They don't take long to cook at all. And you want to cook them for about a minute on each side. So after the shrimp are done, you want to put those to the side and then take some butter, about 2 tablespoons, and melt it inside the pan that we just cooked the shrimp in. You don't have to really wash the pan out. So we're gonna just melt the butter, and then after that we're gonna take about half an onion chopped like really finely and saute that. And then after we saute the onion, when it's nice and brown and soft, we're gonna add in the garlic and then saute that also for about a minute. Okay, after we have the onion and garlic sauteed, we're gonna pour in our heavy cream and bring this to a simmer. And you don't want to boil it because we're gonna add in the Parmesan cheese, and if you boil it, they're going to separate, and then the alfredo sauce is just not going to be alfredo sauce. So just low heat simmer. So now the alfredo sauce is done, and we can add in the noodles and the shrimp, and then bam, look at that, guys. This was so good and so easy. This only took 30 minutes, so if you want a quick meal, try this. So thank you guys for watching, and show some love by subscribing, leave me a comment and a like, and I'll see you next time.